Driver Squad, what's going on? Chase right back with another video. Of course, I'm here to go back to Ember Fund. It's time to dive deep into what's going on moving forward. Like I said, we was in the last video. We up to 20 Satoshis an hour. We currently have over 4,000 currently. Shout out to anybody that used the link down below. It's the first link in the description down below. And also, once you do use the link, click this settings button at the top, and you're gonna enter the access code. And the access code is, let me see. I'm gonna copy. Go to notes. The access code is this MNG31R 9PM2M. Even though it got in the refer ID, for some reason it just don't pop up. Let me make sure it's the same right here. Yeah, it's the same. But I do have in the description, let me double check for my last video. I believe I have it right there. Yeah, enter the access code. So once you click this link, you can just copy this code, this access code as well, and you can enter the access code right here. Also, when you start mining, you're able to boost it. So you have, like, once you set up your password recovery, once 2.5 Satoshis an hour plus per friend referred, and then when you have invested friends, or when you invest as well, you never know, you earn. I'll show, like, where's this music? Where's talking coming from?
Is that you'll never forget.
Hold up. Hopefully that wasn't too loud. Hopefully it wasn't too loud. Hold on, I'm a little self-conscious. Hold up. Okay, everything is good. I had to make sure I was good. But like I was saying in the boost, you gain Satoshis. Shout out to Ryan. I don't know who the other person is, but shout out to you. Make sure you come back every 24 hours so you can earn Satoshis, and I earn Satoshis as well. And when you invest, I earn as well. Whoever you pass on, make sure you let them know so they can earn free Bitcoin as well. But let's go on to own shares of Ember Fund, because I want to know what happens. Well, I'm curious if this is the Bitcoin ETF that Nancy Pelosi and the others was talking about, that you can invest in Bitcoin on an ETF. But I need to figure out how this crowdfunding works. So as I click this link, it look like you got to go through a public app and then join the wait list. So I guess I'm gonna have to sign up through that as well. So that way we'll probably invest in that. So when I'm getting ready to invest, I'm gonna make sure I show my journey. And I guess it's just right. It shows everybody that's getting in these pre-IPOs, or these pre-IPOs, exactly. Company that's haven't hit the stock market yet, and here's a chance to get in them early, which is it's gonna be very interesting that we came across something like that, because I always wonder, how do people join like pre-IPOs that's private, and then when you find out about them, it's too late. So this is gonna be something cool. And then they also offering rewards. So if you do $100, 10,000 Satoshis, 101 to 205, as you see on the screen. That's gonna be pretty dope. So we definitely gonna have to do that. These next couple of weeks, I'm not gonna be able to invest, but I do gotta raise some more capital. So that's what we're gonna be working on towards soon. But I really just wanted to get on here and just give a little update and see how things was going, and show y'all how things is moving. I also have my tablet working next to me, Let me see if I can put this on the screen. My tablet right here is working next to me, so that's what my tablet look like. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Chase Ways out. Peace.